So I think tonight we're just gonna start with one unboxing. We're gonna start with this guy, one of my favorite Tick characters, Man-Eating Cow. For die-hard fans of the series and the comic books, I think you will remember this guy. After about 25 years of carting these guys around, I think it's better to take them out, have fun, put them on a shelf, and take them down, play with them every once in a while. I mean, after all, you know, this isn't a whole lot of fun keeping them in the package. I'm not going to collect them anymore. I mean, I am, but I'm going to actually have fun with them, because that's the whole point of these. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's fucking hilarious. Look at the foot coming out of the mouth. The Tick has arrived to save the city with the help of his sidekick Arthur and a host of other unique superheroes. The Tick is ready to vanquish fiendish villains and fight master criminals wherever evil rears its ugly head. Man, alright. I'm pretty excited. Let's do this. Oh boy. There we go. There's no going back now. There's no going back. Oh, it's already damaged. I've decreased whatever pizzly little value this thing had, which I think was like 10 bucks after 25 years. Oh, thumb is in. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is so exciting. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning. Oh, no going back now. Yeah, pretty much have ruined this packaging. Oh. That was strangely very satisfying. This is what 16, 17-year-old me wanted to do with this thing when I first bought it. Oh, this is so... Oh, wait, there's a foot. There's a foot inside. Oh my god. Okay, gotta throw the package down. Does it do anything else? No, but there is a foot inside of the cow's mouth. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wait, does this do anything? No. Pretty much it's just a nice little hidden foot. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Okay. Well, this guy is going to go onto my new little display case in my office, soon to be joined by all those other Tick castmates. Till then, Man-Eating Cow, signing out. Spoon!